Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the file into Clipchamp and trimming away the obvious silence so noise removal works faster and cleaner. First, create a new project with the correct aspect ratio, then import your audio or video file. Once it's on the timeline, drag the edges to mark the exact segment you'll process. This minimizes processing time and prevents artifacts. Make sure you save a copy or duplicate the track before you apply changes, so you can revert if the result isn't right. Now you'll use Clipchamp's audio tools to reduce unwanted background sound. Open the audio panel and enable noise reduction or background noise. This isolates steady noises like fans and traffic. Start with a low reduction level, listen, and then increase gradually. You avoid making voices underwater or robotic. Once done, layer audio enhancements such as a gentle EQ boost for clarity and a high-pass filter to cut low rumbles. Make sure to preview different sections. Noise profiles can vary across the clip, so tweak accordingly. To finish, play the whole clip and listen closely on headphones and laptop speakers. This reveals issues you might miss. If you hear artifacts like warbling or loss of highs, reduce the noise reduction amount or apply manual EQ to restore natural tones. Once satisfied, export using high-quality settings and save an uncompressed backup in case you need further edits. Troubleshooting tip: if noise persists, isolate a noisy segment. Apply targeted EQ cuts at the offending frequency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.